Hi, this is Tony Poulos and I'm in Barcelona at Mobile World Congress. And today I have with me Yang Chaobin, who is the Chief Marketing Officer of the wireless network product line at Huawei. Yang, very pleased to meet you. Great to see you. And here we're hearing a lot about 5G. So why do we really need 5G?
Yeah, anyway, I think it's really nice to meet you. Yeah, for the 5G, today there are lots of discussions about the 5G. Yeah, it is a hot topic in the mobile industry. But until now, today there's still no clear definition of what 5G is. Yeah, but anyway, Huawei started to do the research of 5G in year 2009. Then based upon our research, we think that 5G is not only an upgrade of the new technologies. It should be act as the enabler of many disruptive innovation of other industry. So anyway, which will put a quite high requirement on the network of the 5G. So we have identified the key requirement on the 5G network. Yeah, for example, the throughput, the peak throughput of the 5G network should reach to 10 gigabps per subscribe. Yeah, and which is about 100 times of today's 4G network. Then the second one, in order to support, for example, self-driving car, such kind of applications, the latency of the network should be as low as 1 millisecond. Then in the future, we also believe that everything needs to be connected to the network. So in the very crowded areas, in the high-dense urban areas, we do believe that in 1 square kilometers, the number of connections will reach 1 million.
And what is the gap to reach 5G?
Yeah, anyway, I think today 4G have already been commercially launched worldwide. So from the throughput point of view, today's 4G network can reach to about several hundred megabps. Then from the latency point of view, today's 4G network can reach 50 milliseconds. Yeah. Then from the number connection point of view, in one cell of the 4G network can support 1,000 connections. Yeah. So if we look at the requirement of the 5G and the capabilities of today's 4G network, there's still a big gap between the requirement and the capabilities of today's network. So we believe that for the 5G, it should be a revolution of new technologies. It is not an evolution of the current technologies.
So how do we get there? What are the changes that will be required in the air interface, the network architecture and the operation mode?
Yeah, anyway, I think for the 5G, it is not only the innovation of the interface, air interface. Yeah. Also, air interface is always the most critical one for the mobile communication. We believe that besides the new air interface, the whole network architecture will also need to be changed, need to be redefined in order to meet the service requirement of different industries. So regarding the architecture of the whole 5G network, we believe that the first one, we call it the industry-defined network slicing. Because for the different industry, they will have different quality of the service requirement on the network. So from the network point of view, the network should have the capability to provide the virtual network to different industries, to provide different quality of the service. Then the second one related with the network architecture is we call it service-oriented cloud formation. So what is a service-oriented cloud formation? Which means that the control plane and the user plane of the network need to be decoupled. And they can be flexibly deployed anywhere in the network. But logically, there should be one control plane or user plane. Then the second one, today, when operator wanted to deliver a new service to the end subscriber, it will take quite a long time. So the third one, we think that for the 5G, we call it Internet Architecture Operation. So based upon this new architecture, the operator can deliver the new service to different industry and different subscribe agilely, so which can greatly reduce the time to market of the new service of the operator.
And when will we expect to see 5G in operation?
Yeah, today I think lots of the company and lots of the universities have already started to do the research of the 5G. There are lots of the new technologies will pop up. Through 6 years of research, Huawei have also proposed our proposal for the new air interface, which will include several key technologies. For example, SCMA, FOFDM, and Polo code. Yeah. And we also do deep research and do the prototype of massive MIMO and full duplex technologies. Yeah. So based upon our research, we think that the standardization of the 5G should be started in 3GPP maybe next year. Yeah. The study atom should be started. Then it will take maybe 2 years to finish the standardization work. Then we, based upon our expectation, the final standardization should be finished in year 2018. So in year 2018, some pre-commercial product, some trial can be done worldwide. Then after the standardization is finished, some kind of IoT test needed to be done. Then it will start to be volume deployed worldwide. So for the formal commercial launch of the 5G network, it will happen on year 2020.
Thank you so much for your time today. That's been incredibly enlightening. We're all looking forward to 5G.
Thank you very much.